Current cancer diagnostics can be improved on. New research shows that prostate cancer patients are being overdiagnosed and overtreated, suggesting an unmet need. Cellanyx's technology meets this need by providing a quantitative, predictive, sensitive, and cost-effective solution. Approximately 1 million prostate biopsies are performed in the United States every year. Of the people who are tested, 7% are diagnosed with high-risk cancer, while 18% are diagnosed with low-risk cancer. According to peer-reviewed research, of the patients diagnosed with low-risk cancer, close to 80% will receive unnecessary aggressive treatment. This equates to 144,000 men in the US each year that will likely suffer detrimental long-term side effects, such as incontinence or even impotence. But why does this happen? After an individual receives a biopsy test, he undergoes a semi-qualitative and subjective assessment of tumor progression. As a result, treatment strategies may not be as obvious relative to other disease states. Oftentimes, treatment rationale is unclear, with most prostate cancer patients undergoing severe treatments, regardless of risk. This is where Cellanyx's proprietary technology can make a difference. Cellanyx Diagnostics' in vitro cancer prognostic technology is comprised of a chip containing substrates able to grow and test biopsied cells, a novel suite of quantifiable biomarkers used in calculations to measure tumor growth and metastatic potential, and software to measure and process these biomarkers, generating valuable prognostic results. Cellanyx's services include transporting tissue biopsies from the patient to its central laboratories. Once the tissue arrives, Cellanyx will begin its comprehensive diagnostic by leveraging its proprietary culturing technology. The tissue is disassociated and introduced into a microfluidic device. Patient cells are allowed to interact with patterns and specifically functionalized substrates. Cellanyx then measures their suite of proprietary molecular and phenotypic biophysical markers. Observed measurements are entered into proprietary algorithms. These algorithms return prognostic measurements that provide valuable information on the growth and metastatic potential of biopsy tissue. This data will provide valuable and needed information towards selecting an optimal treatment strategy. Cellanyx Diagnostics will give urologists improved confidence in their recommended therapy. Cellanyx's solutions will result in reduced healthcare costs, but above all, an improved quality of life for patients.
Cellanyx Diagnostics was born from the need to reduce variability in cancer diagnosis, significantly improving the quality of life for a large population of cancer patients, and addressing a billion-dollar market. Predictive, quantitative, sensitive, and cost-effective. Cellanyx is the next-generation prognostic technology that the oncology community has been waiting for. Our company offers a breakthrough in prostate cancer prognosis that prevents unnecessary treatment by providing a quantitative tool to assess tissue biopsies. Avoiding the comorbidities associated with aggressive treatments not only means an increased quality of life for patients, but reduced healthcare costs overall. Cellanyx Diagnostics can do this by leveraging advances in matrix biology, nanotechnology, mechanobiology, and microfluidics. In essence, Cellanyx is taking prostate cancer diagnosis from a 60-year-old art form to the state-of-the-art in the 21st century. New peer-reviewed research shows that prostate cancer patients are being overdiagnosed and overtreated, often resulting in impotence and the loss of bowel function. Cellanyx's technology will fill this need. Using Cellanyx's technology, physicians will have the critical prognostic information needed to determine the growth potential and the metastatic risk of a biopsy sample. From an opportunity perspective, with 250,000 prostate biopsies performed annually, and assuming a comparable price point to other cancer diagnostic tests, Cellanyx will address a billion-dollar market. Another benefit that Cellanyx will bring is a significant reduction in the average treatment cost per patient by approximately $35,000. These clinical gains translate to an annual $4.9 billion in savings to the health system to make a positive impact on the lives of patients and their families while returning value to our investors.